A phoenix rises from ashes to innovation. Modern Japan gleams with futuristic cities, technological marvels, and an unyielding spirit of progress. The skyline of Tokyo, with its towering skyscrapers and cutting-edge architecture, stands as a testament to the nation's relentless pursuit of innovation. Yet, amidst this modernity, Japan has preserved its rich cultural tapestry. Traditional festivals, ancient customs, and the timeless elegance of the geisha continue to thrive, offering a harmonious blend of the old and the new. It's hard to imagine this vibrant nation was once brought to its knees. The aftermath of World War II left Japan in ruins, its cities devastated and its people facing an uncertain future. Japan's story is one of resilience, a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome unimaginable adversity. The collective effort of its people to rebuild and recover is nothing short of inspirational. From the ashes of war and the devastation of natural disasters, Japan rose like a phoenix, transforming itself into a global leader. The reconstruction of Hiroshima and other cities symbolizes this incredible journey of rebirth and renewal. Japan's journey is a compelling saga of innovation fueled by necessity. The nation's inventors and engineers have pioneered advancements in technology, robotics, and various other fields, driven by a desire to create a better future. The country's history is etched with the scars of earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. These natural disasters have tested Japan's resilience time and again, yet these challenges have become catalysts for groundbreaking advancements in disaster preparedness, engineering, and technology. Japan's expertise in earthquake engineering and disaster management is now a model for the world, showcasing how adversity can drive progress and innovation.
If you enjoyed this journey through Japan's incredible transformation, make sure to subscribe to the GlobeBit YouTube channel for more inspiring stories from around the world.
The weight of the world, Japan's geographic challenges. Japan is an archipelago nation, a mosaic of islands strung along the Pacific Ring of Fire. This volatile tectonic zone is a breeding ground for earthquakes and volcanic activity. The nation's very existence is a delicate dance with nature's raw power. The Ring of Fire is a zone of intense seismic activity, where several tectonic plates collide. These collisions generate immense pressure, leading to frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Japan's unique geography makes it particularly vulnerable to these powerful forces of nature.
Through the Inferno, the scars of World War II. World War II left an indelible mark on Japan. The war's devastation was not just physical but also deeply emotional and psychological, affecting generations of Japanese people. The horrors of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, cities forever etched in history by the atomic bombings, remain a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of conflict. The mushroom clouds that rose over these cities symbolized a new era of warfare, one that brought destruction on an unprecedented scale. These events brought unimaginable suffering and forever altered the course of Japan's future. Survivors, known as hibakusha, faced not only physical injuries but also long-term health issues and societal stigma. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945 were unprecedented events in human history. They marked the first and only use of nuclear weapons in war, changing the global landscape forever. The destruction was immediate and catastrophic, killing hundreds of thousands of people and leaving behind radioactive fallout that would continue to impact generations to come. The environmental damage was equally severe, with landscapes turned into wastelands. The world watched in horror as Japan grappled with the aftermath of this unimaginable tragedy. The bombings not only ended the war but also ushered in a new era of nuclear anxiety, influencing international relations and policies for decades.
From rubble to renaissance, Japan's economic miracle. From the ruins of war, Japan staged an astonishing economic recovery. The nation channeled its collective will, ingenuity, and work ethic to rebuild and reinvent itself. This period, known as the Japanese economic miracle, saw Japan transform into a global economic powerhouse. Japan focused on technological innovation and high-quality manufacturing. Companies like Sony, Toyota, and Panasonic became synonymous with cutting-edge electronics, reliable automobiles, and innovative consumer goods. The nation's commitment to education and technological advancement fueled its rapid rise as a global economic leader.
Section 5. Nature's Fury Unleashed. the 2011 earthquake, and tsunami. On March 11, 2011, a magnitude 9.0 earthquake, one of the most powerful ever recorded, struck off the coast of Japan. The seismic activity was so intense that it shifted the Earth's axis and shortened the length of a day by a fraction of a second. The epicenter was located approximately 70 kilometers east of the Oshika Peninsula of Tohoku, and the tremors were felt across the entire region. The ensuing tsunami, with waves reaching heights of over 100 feet, swallowed entire coastal towns. The sheer force of the water obliterated buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure, leaving behind a landscape of devastation. Coastal communities were particularly hard hit, with many residents having little to no time to evacuate. The Fukushima nuclear disaster, triggered by the earthquake and tsunami, compounded the tragedy. Explosions at the plant released radioactive materials into the environment, leading to widespread contamination. The disaster forced the evacuation of thousands of residents and created a long-term environmental crisis. The world watched in disbelief as the images of devastation unfolded. News outlets around the globe broadcasted the harrowing scenes, and social media was flooded with real-time updates and personal stories from those affected. The international community quickly mobilized to offer aid and support. The earthquake and tsunami caused widespread destruction, claiming thousands of lives and leaving a trail of unimaginable debris. Rescue teams worked tirelessly amidst the rubble, searching for survivors and providing assistance to those in need. The scale of the disaster was overwhelming, with entire towns reduced to ruins. The Fukushima nuclear disaster added another layer of complexity to an already catastrophic situation, forcing evacuations and raising concerns about long-term health effects. The abandoned towns near the plant became eerie reminders of the disaster, and the long-term impact on the environment and public health remains a significant concern. Section 6. Rising from the rubble, a nation rebuilds. In the face of unimaginable loss, the Japanese people responded with characteristic resilience. Communities rallied together, offering support and aid to those in need. The rebuilding process began almost immediately, a testament to the nation's indomitable spirit. The Japanese government mobilized resources to support the affected areas, providing financial assistance, housing, and infrastructure repairs. International aid poured in as the world witnessed the determination and unity of the Japanese people in the face of adversity. The rebuilding process was a long and arduous one, but it showcased the power of human resilience and the importance of community support in times of crisis.
Section 7. The Art of Preparedness, Japan's Disaster Management Model. Japan's long history of grappling with natural disasters has led to the development of one of the world's most advanced disaster management systems. The nation invests heavily in disaster preparedness, early warning systems, and public awareness campaigns. From a young age, Japanese citizens are educated on earthquake safety procedures and disaster preparedness. Buildings are constructed with stringent earthquake-resistant standards. Sophisticated early warning systems provide crucial time for people to seek shelter before an earthquake or tsunami strikes. These measures, while not always able to prevent all damage, have undoubtedly saved countless lives.
Section 8. A beacon of resilience, lessons for the world. Japan's story is a powerful testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity. The nation's journey from devastation to global leadership offers valuable lessons for the world. Japan's emphasis on community, preparedness, and innovation serves as an inspiring model for other nations facing similar challenges. Japan's resilience is a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can endure and emerge stronger. The nation's commitment to rebuilding, its focus on innovation, and its unwavering sense of community serve as an inspiration for us all.
Section 9. An enduring spirit, Japan's legacy of innovation. Japan's story is far from over. The nation continues to push the boundaries of innovation, tackling new challenges with characteristic determination and ingenuity. From developing cutting-edge robotics to pioneering sustainable technologies, Japan remains at the forefront of global progress. The spirit of innovation is deeply embedded in Japanese culture. The nation's ability to adapt, learn from its past, and embrace new technologies ensures that Japan will remain a global leader for generations to come. The world watches and learns as Japan continues to write its story of resilience, innovation, and progress. Stay tuned to GlobeBit YouTube channel for more inspiring stories and updates on Japan's journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos.